In this video, you will get an overview how to develop Fishbowl activity on lanes and how does it look like in the virtual training room. To develop the activity, instructional designer joins Program Builder, My Programs, and chooses the program and the block where this activity is planned to be. Can use Add and finds out the content and settings for the activity. It's the title and description, so the name of the activity. Can be added description for participant. Can be added in the line of a trainer, and as well can be uploaded a picture. The next part of the content are the roles. So it can be the name of the role, the legend, so some description of the role activity or what is the role, what you do, what's the story. There can be added up to 16 roles in Fishbowl activity on lanes. So almost each of the participants can play a role in the Fishbowl. Additionally, instructional designer may decide to add the role of an observer. In this case, observer role is activated. There is a legend, some instruction for the observer, and it can be added observation checklist. So in the program builder, instructional designer may plan the whole activity, who will take which role, how many participants will get the roles, what will be the fishbowl activity about, and will there be some observers or not with a specific observation checklist. In settings for fishbowl activity, there can be set the duration of the stages and the duration of the whole activity. Then you click Save and activity appears in the training track in the program builder. Let's take a look how is it present in the virtual training room. Fishbowl activity on lanes has two stages, start and execution. At the start stage, in the content area, there is an interline of a trainer, the description of the activity, execution time, the name of the activity. By clicking Next, trainer moves to the second stage of activity, which is execution. And because there were developed two roles, then trainer may drag and drop participants to take those roles. These are the descriptions of the roles, instructions they get. And that's the observation checklist for all other participants who stay in the grid. They become observers and they get the access to the observation checklist. Trainer as well may add some comments or confirmation, not confirmation in the checklist. This is the view of one of the participants who becomes observer with observation checklist, can see the roles, but cannot see the descriptions of the roles. That's the view from the active participant who takes one of the roles. There will be a legend and description. And as well who is in the second role. Trainer may adjust the time for the duration of the whole activity and for the duration of the stage. If it was not enough, maybe time for execution. Moreover, can reset the activity too. It starts over then. In this video, we made an overview how to develop fishbowl activity on lanes and how does it look like in the virtual training room.